Public Health Minister Dr. George Norton on Friday said that he was taking full responsibility for what transpired in the Ministry of Health storage bond fiasco. He engaged the media shortly after holding discussions with the Speaker of the National Assembly, during which he should have handed over a written apology over incorrect statements he allegedly uttered in the House. Nightly News understands that the written apology was delivered to the Speaker in a manner which was deemed unacceptable.
No, no, did you submit a written apology to the Speaker this morning? When is this apology? Why wasn't it submitted this morning?
Since the matter became public, whereby the government would have signed a contract with Linden Holding Company for the storage of pharmaceuticals and medical supplies, several concerns have been raised. The government has since decided to review the contract.
There is a collective responsibility on the part of the cabinet. And every decision will have to be made at the level of cabinet. It is not a one-man decision.
There has been speculation that the minister is paying the price for a decision he didn't make single-handedly.
I don't know anything about that.
For many of the questions thrown at the minister, he appeared ill-prepared to answer. But going forward, the minister told of how he has learned a lesson.
Not only what I would like to see done, but what I would ensure to see done in the future is that I will personally go into details in all these items, much more than I have been before.
In what areas?
In all areas, even if I might be guilty of micromanagement.
Minister Norton expressed profound regret at the entire situation and expressed full confidence that he has the support of his party, especially in light of the PNCR's Delegates Conference, which commences on Friday. He said he has worked for the party and his track records will provide that his intentions are noble. He admitted that what took place would have caused some distress for the party. In light of the significance of Dr. Norton's apology, Nightly News thinks it prudent to broadcast the essence from Dr. Norton himself.
On Monday, August 8, 2016, during consideration of the estimates in Financial Papers number 1 and 2 of 2016, I was questioned extensively by members of Parliament representing the opposition PPP-C. In the process, I gave answers that were in some parts based on my personal knowledge and ability, and in other parts based on information and advice presented to me. Since August 8, 2016, I have come to the firm position that the answers given to two questions relating the payment to New GPC Incorporation and the storage of drugs in the bond at 29 Sussex Street, Georgetown, were not accurate, as these were based on information supplied to me. In the circumstances, I wish to express my sincere and profound regret to His Excellency Brigadier David Granger, President of the Cooperative Republic of Guyana, Honorable Dr. Barton Scotland, CCH MP, Speaker of the National Assembly, Prime Minister Mr. Moses Nagamuso, and my parliamentary colleagues of the AP and UAFC, members of the parliamentary opposition, and all others who were present were able to observe the process of the consideration of the estimates relative to the approval of payments to New GPC Incorporated and Linden Holding Incorporated. As Minister of Public Health, I know that a high standard of duty and care is expected of me and the staff of the Ministry of Public Health. So I take full responsibility for this unfortunate episode and give my full commitment that it will not reoccur.
Handel Duncan, HGP Nightly News.